Have you ever noticed how a wolf hunts in silence? Or how an eagle soars high, away from the noise, watching, planning, and waiting for the perfect moment to strike? That's exactly what you need to do. Go ghost for 6 months. I dare you. Just 6 months of silence, no announcements, no Instagram updates, no broadcasting your plans to people who don't care. Because the loudest people rarely make the biggest moves. It's the quiet ones who shock the world. In these 6 months, cut the noise, wake up, and work like nobody knows your name. Build habits so strong they rewrite your identity. Learn, grow, fail in private, and keep going. Remember, every great transformation happens in silence. Just like an eagle sharpens its claws alone before conquering the skies. When you re-emerge, you won't even need to say a word. Your results, your energy, your new self, they'll do the talking. People will look at you and wonder, how did you change so much? But here's the truth. Most people won't do it. Most can't stand disappearing because they crave validation. Don't be most people. Be the person who comes back unrecognizable, better, sharper, unstoppable. The next 6 months could make or break the next 6 years of your life. If you're ready to level up, subscribe now, because missing the next video might mean missing the blueprint to your breakthrough.